Earth's Rock Stars, the 12 Apostles, and Moiraki Boulders. Nature has a way of creating rock formations so strange and beautiful that they could be straight out of a storybook. Two amazing examples are the 12 Apostles in Australia and the Moiraki Boulders in New Zealand. These places show how Earth has been changing for millions of years. Along the Great Ocean Road in Victoria, Australia, you'll find the 12 Apostles, tall limestone towers rising from the ocean. Waves and wind slowly wore away the softer rock around the limestone, shaping the towers we see today. Although they are called the 12 Apostles, there were never exactly 12. Some have fallen into the sea, so only 8 are left. People still call them by the same name, though. These towers can be as tall as a 15-floor building. They glow golden in the morning and turn red in the evening. You might even see penguins or seals around them. These towers are also part of Port Campbell National Park, which helps protect the coast. Visitors from all over the world come to see the 12 Apostles. You can enjoy the view from a platform or take a helicopter ride for an even better look.